What's up, guys? I'm going to show you guys how to do a picture-in-picture or split-screen video edit on a MacBook Pro with specifically the program called iMovie. So we're going to do a split screen on iMovie or a picture-in-picture on iMovie. So what you want to do, I'm going to show you how I edited my video this morning in less than 3 minutes. So I recorded all my video clips that I want, and so I copy them from my downloads on my computer, and I drop them in here to iMovie. Once I have them in here, you can see that I have the pictures right here. Oh, I just deleted everything. So I have the picture. I want to delete this clip. It's from my Instagram stories. So I'm going to take these pictures. I want them to be like a cutout or a picture-in-picture of this video right here. So I'm going to copy all of these or highlight them, and I'm just going to simply drag them over here onto the top of this video. So once that happens, I'm going to make them all what we call a picture-in-picture. So you come up to these tools right here, you click this button right here, and you do picture-in-picture, and it's going to look like this. You can see the little video up here. If I were to click, for example, split screen, it would look like this. I specifically don't do it like this because I don't like this black bar right here. But we're going to do a picture-in-picture. So what I do, once I click picture-in-picture, I come back to each video individually. I click it, and then I can come up here and I can move it around and expand it. So I'm going to expand the video big like this. I'm going to do this to every single one of them real quick like this. And I'll just kind of walk you through it as I go. This was from my a test group that we're running of a program that comes out on an online home fitness platform in October, but we have access to it early to create results for the program prior to the marketing of the program for infomercials. So I'm helping people through the program and basically showing people this 20-minute workout, talking about it, and then making an invitation to you to join the test group. So what I'm doing real quick is just moving all these videos, expanding these videos to look a little bit larger and fill up the whole side of the screen over here. I specifically record the video with my face or the majority of me on one side of the screen so I can put that video in the other side. So we basically are all done. Looks something like this.
Down and just know, guys, that you don't have to be perfect. You don't have to match exactly.
So there you go. That's how you make a video-in-video video edit or a picture-in-picture video edit with the iMovie app. I do it on my phone sometimes, but I'm just a lot quicker on the computer. So I wanted to teach you guys and show you guys how that is done. And once it's done, you just go up here and you save your video. All right, guys, if that helps you guys out, please make sure to subscribe. And if you have any questions about this process, please comment below. I check my comments and email every single day to be able to help serve you the best. Remember, we are Dynasty Strong, empowering others to continually develop into their greatest potential.